Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you the recipe for making idli dosa batter. Here are the ingredients required. 1 cup of black gram dal dehusked, 4.5 cup of idli rice. You could alternatively use idli rava, quarter cup of rice flake or flattened rice, 1.5 tablespoon of methi seeds. Now I have washed all the ingredients until the water runs clear and then soak them for 4 hours. I have soaked this urad dal or black gram dal in 2 cups of water. It's 1 cup of black gram dal for 2 cups of water in there soaking. So I have washed the rice until the water runs clear and I have soaked it for 3 to 4 hours roughly. So this is the appliance I'm going to be using to grind the batter. This is the wet grinder. You could alternatively use a blender to make the batter, but however the ratios of the dal and rice would be different, so I'll be doing it in a different video. So now I'm going to put the urad dal or black gram dal in this grinder and grind it. Now I have added the 1 cup of black gram dal and 1.5 tablespoon of methi seeds in it. I'm going to go ahead and grind this for 25 to 30 minutes in the wet grinder. So I'm going to be using all the 2 cups of water that I have used to soak the dal. Sprinkle the water a little at a time and grind this urad dal into a smooth paste. To start with, I have used 1 cup of the soaked urad dal water and I'm grinding it. So friends, I have been grinding this black gram dal batter for 10 minutes now and I have used more than half of the water. I'm going to be using all the rest of the water and grind it for another 10 minutes and I'll show you the consistency going. So now it has been 25 minutes. I have been grinding this for around 25 to 30 minutes now. I'm going to take all the batter. So here's how much batter I have got by grinding the black gram dal. It's nearly 3 times of what I have soaked. Like it will be 3 cups of batter for 1 cup of dal. Look at the consistency. I've added the flattened rice and the 4.5 cup of rice into the wet grinder. I'm going to go ahead and grind this for roughly 30 minutes. I'm going to be using nearly all the soaked water for grinding. So this is how the rice batter looks, the rice and the flattened rice together. So I have ground this rice and flattened rice for 30 minutes and the consistency of the batter should be like this. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with the urad dal. You should feel the smaller, really smaller grains, like if you can see it, that's how the texture should be. And I'm going to go ahead and mix all this together. I have mixed both the batter together now. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of salt for this batter. So this is a 5-liter container, so I have nearly full container here. So I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to use my hands to mix this because the hands initiates the fermentation of the batter. This is how the batter looks after mixing for 2 minutes. I am going to leave this batter to ferment for 8 hours. It's summer here now, so I don't need to keep in any warm place. Just countertop is warm enough for fermenting. But at your place, if it is winter, you're going to take this batter and leave it in the oven with the lights on. So that's going to be warm enough for the batter to ferment with the lights on. I'm going to close the lid. And I have kept a plate underneath to collect any drippings, and the volume is going to rise a bit, so there's a fair chance that this batter could overflow because mine is nearly to the rim, nearly full. So I'm keeping a plate underneath to collect any drippings because the volume is going to rise after fermentation and mine is nearly full, so there's a fair chance that it could overflow. So I'm keeping a plate just to be extra cautious. I'll see you after 8 hours. Now it has been 8 hours and the batter has risen well. It has fermented. I can see that it has increased in volume. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this. Now I'm mixing the batter well. So now I have mixed the batter. It's thoroughly mixed now. I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator until I use it. For the first 2 days I'll be making idlis with this batter. This consistency is perfect for idlis. So if I want to make dosas in the next few days, I'll be adding a little water to it. So that's the recipe for idli dosa batter. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.